This looks insane. Dude, check this place out. So I'm here somewhere in Arkansas, north of Little Rock. I just arrived at Arkansas Peddler's Mall. I'm completely crazed. I'm starting to unwind a little bit. Unravel is a better word probably. I had this idea just now in the car. I was like, what if I actually streamed live from Cadillac Ranch when I get there in Texas, in Amarillo. I've been calling it Armadillo. Kind of a crazy idea. Something to think about. All right, I'm gonna go in. Let's see what they got. Oh my gosh. I'm freaking out, man. Well, right off the bat, you know what I see? Wow. 18. I feel like I could still make money off that still. Look, I'm saying the same word twice and over again. That is so epic. Oh, this is gonna be the trip that breaks the bank. I have a feeling. So I put that in my bag. 28. I don't think I can do anything with that. 14. It's all, I think those are reproduction. Oh my gosh. I did put the fish in my bag. The cart, not my bag. I'm like, this is amazing. Okay, what about over here? Oh my gosh, everywhere I look, there's something. If my husband would only act like other men. How funny. For $8, I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. That is so cute. I love these little figurines. All right, and then also over here, wait, stop. Does this say half off? Yeah, gonna take that. I'm not sure why it's half off. I keep looking at it like, I think that's what that means. And it looks like it's in really good condition. And look, she's even got blue eyeshadow and eyelashes and the little telephone. And then, love the mom and pop happy anniversary plate. That is so cute. $10. This little Scottish girl. Oh my gosh, everything here. Oh, this is amazing. And I know I keep saying I don't do earrings, but look at these. 10 pairs vintage earrings. I don't see a price. Yeah, there's no price on them. That's probably why they're still there. Epic. These ones are 15, but nowhere near as spectacular. Oh my gosh. Okay. And the pins, I'm not seeing anything in there that's really worth writing home about. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. Butterflies. 12 pieces, $20. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna need help. So I did go ahead and put that in my basket. I have a feeling I'm gonna want that. When I do the math, it's really fair. Especially because I think the fish will do well. The bear. I mean, look at that little zebra horse thing. The little giraffe. Yeah, this is so cute. I don't even know what to do with myself right now. I had that idea. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm freaking out. Look at all these pin cushions too. Gosh. All right, those are all priced accordingly, it looks like. It's like Quilt Mania. Oh my gosh, I don't even like quilts and I want them. Oh my gosh, look at the calendar. And the tree skirts. Oh my gosh. I'm like shaking right now. Look at this little, oh my gosh, that would be so cute on a little doll. Even the cat hanger. Oh, I'm being weird about the brooches. I think I'm gonna leave them behind for now. I can always come back. So apparently there's a building next door too. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wait, look at that Mother Goose book. The graphic on that alone. Oh my gosh, Ruthie Newton. And it's wearing a little bunny suit. $50, yeah, that's not unreasonable. I've never seen that before. That's amazing. I love Ruthie Newton. She was a children's illustrator, but she also designed a bunch of the squeak toys we like. Oh my gosh. Look at the little travel suitcase. Oh, I bet it's pricey. The tag's turned around, but everything in this booth seems to be about retail. So many freaking amazing things. What's happening in here? Oh. And amidst everything, see this little cat planter. It's got a hairline, but still, it's not a crazy hairline. I kind of like the way it's got the paint loss. That's $6. Oh my gosh, wait, stop. Look at the clown clock. Oh, you guys, I'm freaking out. Oh my gosh, and the monkey. $6. Oh, that one's a pretty bad hairline. Look. Oh my gosh, I'm too short for this. Please. Oh, please don't break anything. $3 sold. And then what about, I'm gonna have to take a step back to see everything. $8, that's about what I'd probably get after that after fees. What are these things? These salt and pepper shakers are so fantastic. Oh, there's more up there. I have to put my camera down, I'm too short. So a couple of the cat figurines, including the Enesco, were all a little close for me. But then I'm also like, what's going on in here, right? There's so much stimulation. Look at this little elephant. $5, that's adorable. I'm gonna take that. And, okay, just breathe. I got this. The deer, $3. I'll take that. What is that? All right, half price in here. Here's one of those pin cushions. That's only at $3. I'll take that. Oh my gosh. That is falling off though. I'm a little nervous about that. Although it's ironic it's for sewing because you could easily fix that. I'm not sure. What about the little, oh my gosh, hand painted. That's like a little flower pot. That would be fun with a little succulent in it for freaking $1.50. I'll take that. Oh my gosh. Okay, back to this. What is this? Chi ashtray. I don't know what that means. I wish I did. It seems important. Love the glaze on it. All right, let me put this down. Oh my gosh, wait, stop. This doll, $13? Oh my gosh, sold. I'm like so overwhelmed. This is probably the craziest antique mall I've ever been to. 13, what is happening here? There's a little sea castle. What's this little planter? That's fantastic. $2? What? That does say $2 though, right? Yeah, it does. I'm gonna take that. And then this little drummer boy, he's only $5. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then, see, I told you guys I was being frugal for a reason. This one's $5, I'll take that. Oh my gosh, look at the little wooden toilet. Oh, best seat in the house? That's hilarious, $3, I'll take that. Whew. Okay, I'm back at it. Now, $4. It's really kind of sweet. It's got a little bit of condition issues on the face. Oh my God, I'm buzzing right now. The little angel, that's only $3, made in occupied Japan. I think I'm gonna take that. It's not something I would normally grab, but it's so cheap. I'm also picking up this little miniature cup and saucer with the raised flower. I think that's adorable at $4. And the little miniature hand at $3. Those usually do pretty well. And I did go ahead and Google this imperial glass elephant mug. I love it, but at $12. That's surprisingly about what those sell for. I would have thought it was more. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can always come back. This is right next to the checkout. I haven't even gone anywhere. This clown clock is driving me crazy, and it's made in Japan. Oh my gosh. I need to think about that. It might be a little close. And then what is going on here? A little vintage tissue box, $6. That's so sweet. What is this donkey? Oh my gosh. It's paper mache. I'm getting that. Wow. These are kind of neat too. Silver ashtray. It's like got the chrome finish to it. $20 for the lamp. You're kidding me, right? This is so cheap. I need to drop some of this stuff off and calm down for a second. Look at this little needlepoint purse. $6. I'm gonna get that too. Trinket dish. I love the Jesus picture. That's $6. People are always asking me for vintage religious items. I feel like I should pick this up. I'm really overwhelmed. I need to get rid of some of this stuff. All right, well, I am embarrassed to say this is not actually paper mache. I'm just very, very tired, which makes me nervous for picking up as much stuff as I am. But it's flocked and just damaged, which is why it looks like paper mache. But of course, as soon as I got it out of the basket, I was like, wait, what am I talking about? And I love this cat figurine, but at $10, it might be a little close. I think I'm gonna end up coming back to this booth because there's a lot of stuff in here, but I really want to see what else they have in here, considering I've only done like 2 booths and they've already started me a huge pile, and I'm trying to get over to this little, oh my gosh, stop. I don't even care that it has that tiny little stain. $7. Oh my gosh, I'm buzzing. Sold. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's a lot going on in here. We got the little squeaks. $7. And it squeaks. I see the clown, but what's behind him? What is this fantastic thing? That's so great. $10. I don't think I could get much more out of that, honestly. This one's so cute though. I think I'm gonna get that. Although I've had him before, but still $7. Let me not be weird. I love the little size. I've never had the miniature size. This Humpty Dumpty doll is quite fantastic too. I love his little fez hat, and the pattern they made him with is fantastic. I'm gonna grab that as well, especially because he's like in pristine condition. And what is this? $20. It's an old bowlers. That's so much fun. And also, Toot Toot, so cute. Toot Toot, so cute. Oh my gosh, now I'm rhyming. This is $3. Stop. Sold. This is like so Kate. I need to open this. This is so fantastic. $45. All right, well, I'm gonna leave that one behind, but I definitely really appreciate that. I would totally use that as a purse. Love the lunchbox tin. I'm knocking into stuff. And I love the little chalkware up there. It's pretty high up. I'm not sure if I have the energy to ask for assistance because I can't see the price tag. This baseball jersey is amazing. I'm sifting through this. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, it's on the telephone. Oh, that's too cute. Just because it's on the phone, I'm gonna get it. It's too cute not to. Never seen that graphic before. And you know how people love stuff on the telephone. Love all the old games. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking rad. I even noticed the blasting caps box, but the drawer, but that's at 80. Oh my gosh. What?